Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How does purple shampoo work? Rinse your hair with hot water to open up the hair shaft. Apply a lot of purple shampoo. Leave the shampoo in for at least 5 minutes. Rinse your hair with cold water to seal in the color and close your hair shaft. Enjoy your cool toned blonde. The 31st of October 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
It is very much possible to correct the orange, brassy tones in your hair with home remedies. How to fix orange hair? Use a hair toner. Darken your hair with hair color. Use a box dye. Purple shampoo. Lighten your hair. The 21st of August 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
So if your hair is already light blonde, this continual lightening will cause the hair to become dry and brittle and then break. Too much purple tone in these products can cause the hair to look dull and overtoned. 9 August 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Because it does not contain an ingredient that will chemically change the color of your hair, purple shampoo cannot truly lighten hair. If anything, purple shampoo may make your hair temporarily slightly darker. 10 April 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you have no experience with hair dye, I would recommend using purple shampoo. On the other hand, if you're experienced at coloring hair, either product could work for you. If you want immediate results, toner is your only option.
Let's help you make your mark.
When you get your hair professionally colored at the salon, hairstylists often tone hair to neutralize brassy yellow and orange tones on bleached hair. Purple shampoo is a great at-home solution for toning hair and preventing brassiness.
Take our lead.
A purple shampoo contains violet pigments that can neutralize the yellow and orange to give your hair an even color. You need to wet your hair with hot water so that the cuticles open up. Then apply the purple shampoo and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. 21 August 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.